Have you ever been to a summer camp before and been confused on how to, and been in the arts and crafts section and been confused about how to make a friendship bracelet? Or do you just want to be that cool babysitter and teach the kids you're babysitting how to make a friendship bracelet? Well, you're in luck. Today in this tutorial, I will be going over the materials needed to make a friendship bracelet, how to make a friendship bracelet, and finally, how it impacts me as a whole. After this tutorial today, you will surely be the next Karina Garcia in no time. First, let's hop into the car and drive over to our nearest Michael's to find the first thing on our shopping list, which is string. Now, according to Michaels.com, you can find string, a big pack of string like this, for only $20. Sounds like a steal to me. If you live too far away from a Michaels, some other spots that you could get friendship string are places such as Target, Hobby Lobby, or even your local Walmart. Now, the next thing that's that the next thing that is on this list is something to hold the friendship string. Now, most people use tape or a clipboard. Personally, I think that using a clipboard works better as it will be more secure and it will be able to hold the string down better. Another thing you need to make friendship bracelets is scissors. The sharper the scissors, the better, as it will cut the strings more evenly. Now, this last thing you may need is optional, but a lot of times people might use a jewelry box to hold the completed bracelets when finished. Now, let's head home so we can start making our friendship bracelets. For this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the most simplest bracelet, in my opinion, which is the candy stripe. According to Simply Well Balanced, this bracelet is perfect for beginners because it only takes a couple of strings and it doesn't take a lot of time or effort. For this specific bracelet, some of the things you are going to need are 4 or more pieces of string, a clipboard, and some scissors. Now, let's get started with the tutorial. To start off, you want to cut the pieces of string evenly so it doesn't mess up the bracelet. After you have this, you want to tie a knot on the top of the string to hold it all together. Now it's time for the first step, which is going to be making a forward knot from string 1 to string 2. And you want to make sure you pull tightly like so. Now, after this, you have string 1, and you're going to make a forward knot from string 1 to string 3 and do that twice as well. Now, for the last step, you want to do another forward knot from string 1 to string 4 and do that twice like so. After you have this, you will have that string should go to the back of the line and you should have a new string 1, and you are going to repeat this process. This is what the bracelet looked like when it was halfway done, and this is what it looked like when it was all the way done. Once it was all the way done, all I had to do was tie a knot and then tie it around my hand like so. Now, you're probably wondering, how does making friendship bracelets impact me as a whole? Well, according to the University of Chicago, making friendship bracelets will boost your self-esteem as you are making it for someone else, and it is also handmade. They're also a good calming meditation because when you are making friendship bracelets, it relaxes the mind and it makes you more calm. Personally, I love making friendship bracelets when I'm feeling anxious or I just want to waste some time. According to a fashion blog, you can do so many cool designs, such as a tidal wave, a heart design, or even a diamond design. I hope the next time you go back to summer camp, you can teach people how to make friendship bracelets. In this tutorial today, we have talked about the materials needed, how to actually make a friendship bracelet, and finally, how making friendship bracelets impacts society as a whole. I hope you have learned a new skill here today and use it for the next time you are at summer camp or even when you're starting the next Babysitters Club.